Let's go, shall we go? How are you, Brand? Huh? Why? Oh, that's it. Duellen, boy! Play Pisco. Oh, he's one off. Come on.
Tom, got a picture of it?
Yeah. Yeah, boy.
Good. Make sure you know where the bits go back on,
Yeah.
Right, Van?
So, why am I taking this off for anyway?
Because you're going to use it as a template to draw out.
Oh yeah.
Right, Van?
Do I have to take it all apart?
No, just you want to get the plane off, that's all.
Oh.
Leave those bits on. So we're going to make the plane first, not you?
Yeah. So I'm just going to put these back on for a minute, so I don't lose them.
Let's go. Are we making that next?
Well, no, I am, because you lot are finished. Well, I'm finished and you lot ain't. So pretty much I got nothing else to do before you lot are finished.
Once you've taken it off, I'll give you a piece of card.
Oh, sir, I've done it anyway. Oh no! Crap! Come on. Kills. Okay, Barbara. Barbara.
Right.
God.
So this.
I just cut my finger.
You got finger?
Yeah.
Badly, it's blood.
No. There.
Oh. Horrible. Right. Cool. Really cool.
Hi,
right.
sir.
Do your video. Stop your video now then. Tom, come on. Come on, stop it now. Put it away.
Come on.
Put it away.
Okay.